Hi, welcome to today's class. So today we are learning different sounds of letter C. Letter C sounds and letter C sounds S. So how do we identify the swirl words with letter C sounding S? So whenever you want to identify words with letter C sounding S, you should always look out for words with letter E that has CE, CI, and CY. So we have some words. With A, the first one we have scent, celebrity, centipede, center, centralized. We have ceramic. Then we have in CI, we have circle, we have civil, we have citizen, we have civilized, we have city, and we have Cinderella. Then we have in CY. In CY we have cynical, we have cypress, we have cyanist, cyclist, we have cycle, we have cinder. That's the end of today's class. Bye.